Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce you to our top of the range CA8345 Power Quality Analyzer kit from Chauvin Arnoux. That said, let's get started. So let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is that it comes in this ruggedized hard case that protects the instrument, keeps everything together, and it makes it really easy for you to transport it while you're on site. You'll notice that we've got a handle which pushes down, and we've got wheels on the back to make it easy to transport, along with the normal carrying handles which fold out of the way on the top and side of the case. So let's have a close look what's in the kit. So the first thing you'll find, obviously, is the CA8345 itself. This is our top of the range power quality analyzer. So that's contained nice and safely within the foam padding within the case. We also have in here 4 MA194 Rogowski coils for the current sensing. We have these voltage leads. So we actually have 5 voltage leads in here, and they're contained within these little reeling boxes. And the reeling boxes are like little mini extension leads, so you can keep your leads nice and neat. And you've also, for each of the reeling boxes, you've got an option of the crocodile clip or the magnetic probe, and all that's contained within the kit. We've got a few other bits in there, like the USB cable for setting up and downloading the instrument. We have a magnetic hook to secure the instrument to, say, a distribution board to hang it up while you're doing testing. And to go with that, we have the carry strap. So one interesting thing that's in the kit is this power supply. Now this power supply is quite big and chunky, and that's for a reason, because it's actually Cat 4 1000 volt rated. What this means is you can actually use 2 4mm test connections to power the CA8345 from the circuit under test. But if you don't want to do that, you can equally just use a normal 3-pin plug and a figure of 8 connector and power it that way round. But it does give you the option to use this to power the instrument from the circuits under test. The last item in here to mention is a license card for our data view reporting software. So the PAT3 software for the CA8345 is freely available to download from the website, but the reporting software that allows you to create detailed and bespoke reports is created using the data view software. So we include the data view license card within the kit as well. So you can see there you've got everything included in this kit that you could possibly ever need for carrying out logging sessions using the CA8345. If you want some more information or you want to arrange a product demonstration, please drop a message in the comments below and we'll be sure to get in touch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.